Hi, this is Victor. Welcome to the channel Vic5 in Season 3 and with another episode of my PC build. So today we're going to do the unboxing of the power supply before we do the install of the power supply. Okay, so I'm going to pass the camera over to my brother and we'll get started. Okay, here you go, Reedy. Alright, so what we're going to do is just take this off. Okay, so this is a Corsair power supply. Corsair does make power supplies, so they're a good brand to go with. I chose the 650 watt. Normally, because I want to put at least 4 hard drives, maybe 5 in my computer, I want to have sufficient power for it. Now, probably a 550 watt will work, or even a 450. But, you know, the pricing is very close. There's only a $10 difference between a 650 watt and a 550 watt, so might as well go for the $10 extra and just have the extra wattage just in case. This is considered a semi-modular, which means that there are some connections where a non-modular has all the cords coming out of it. So with a semi-modular, you can just plug in there the power cords that you need. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Okay. Oh, here we go. And see what we have. Okay, so we got some plastic ties, the usual documentation. We've got the power supply, or the power cord, I should say. We have the cables, which we'll take a look at in a second. And we've got the actual unit. So I'm going to put this aside. Okay. So in the actual unit, there is the power supply. Okay, it comes with a fan, and usually what happens is the fan is on the bottom, so it gets mounted into the computer this way. And that's why there's a grill at the bottom of the case, you'll notice when we install it. Okay, so here we have the common connections that every power supply needs. So let's just open that up and take a look. Okay, so if we unplug this, okay, so the first thing we have is the main power supply to the motherboard. That's this one here. It's let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So basically it's a 24 pin, but really 23. And this one, this could be CPU. It's an additional one, so on the motherboard there'll be a connector for this. So that's the two main ones. Okay, so then over here we've got the additional ones. Okay, so what happens for these ones is we go into this package over here, and let me just open this up and we can take a look and see. Okay. Okay, so all right, so we have a few here. The main one that I'm interested in is these ones here that have, let me undo this. This one here, it's going to go in any of these slots, and it has these connections here. These are actually for the hard drives. So this will hold Power 3 hard drives. Then we have another one right here. And again, this one will plug into another spot, a 6-pin slot over here. And we've got another hard drive or a peripheral like the DVD drive. So that will power those. These ones I probably won't use. They're powered for these are Molex connectors, and they'll power accessories. Could be other additional boards. This one over here is going to be for PCI Express boards, which again I won't use because I'm not adding additional boards at this time. Same thing with here, more PCI Express. And as you can see, what happens with these PCI Express ones, they go into these ones right in here. These two, because they're 8-pin, so they'll both go in here. But again, I won't need it, so that it won't clutter up the internal of the CPU computer. This one is a floppy disk. And of course, the way that this works is that you have to use one of these plugged into here, say to there, and then this gets plugged in to here like that. And that powers a floppy drive. Okay, so that is the connections that we have. Like I said, I'm only going to be using both of these because I've got 5 hard drives, for at least 4 hard drives, plus the DVD drive. So that's what's going to power this. This is going to be for directly to the motherboard, and these ones won't be needed, and these ones won't be needed for the moment. So I'll just hang on to those, and these will come in handy for other things. And then plastic ties as well I can use. And these screws are for over here for tightening the right here, here, and here for tightening the power supply to the case. Okay, so the so that is it. All right. So that is the power supply. The next episode is going to be on putting the power supply into the case, making the connections, and then the final step is the hard drive. And of course, after that is going to be loading Windows. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day, and see you in my next episode. Okay, bye-bye.